Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I want to talk a little bit about like financing and how to save money every month or eliminate like bills that you actually don't need in your life anymore. So the problem is today is that the dollar is going down in value and things seem like they're becoming more expensive because of inflation. So what I decided to do is I said, I'm going to find things that I'm paying for now that I want to cut out of my monthly expenses. And the main thing that I saw right away is my cable bill. I was paying almost like $350 a month for cable. So I was paying $4 for each box. I had 3 of them. And then I had a one of those boxes that record the videos. I was paying $18 a month for that. And I says, this is ridiculous. I'm not paying for this anymore. So I called my cable company, that's Xfinity, and I says, you know what? And I was also even paying for a telephone that I never used. I'm paying for cable, telephone, internet. I don't even use it, right? I just use my cell phone all the time. Well, maybe once in a while you could, use the phone. But anyway, I said, I like to cancel my cable. And first they were trying to talk me into like reducing the bill, like, oh, eliminate this, eliminate that, just keep the basic. I says, you know what, I don't really need it. I can get the news off my phone. I can watch basically any TV show you want just by going directly to the cable channel and just go on their website. You could subscribe and just watch the videos there. So I went from paying $350 a month to $120 a month. And then when I got my bill, I read it and I says, wow, why am I paying $120 a month? And I saw I was paying $20 and $14.99 for the router, because now at this point all I have is internet. So I called Xfinity up and they were very nice, and I says, oh, what's going on with this $20? So the lady said, or the guy said, you're paying $20 a month for high-speed internet. And I'm like, okay, what's high-speed internet? It's 500 megabytes a month. So I was like, okay, so is there like a basic speed that I can get with just paying for basic internet, right? And the guy's like, yeah, you can get 100 megabytes. Now, 100 megabytes is not data. Like you get on, like some people have data on their phones, and once they hit 50 megabytes or whatever, however they calculate it, they slow you down. This is high-speed internet. So they're giving you that regardless of how much you use the internet, you're going to be at 100 megabytes upload and download speeds, right? Versus like 50, maybe slower, 25. I don't even know what my phone is, what they give you like on your phone. I don't know if it's 100 megabytes or 50 megabytes, but my phone streams fantastic, right? So I says, you know what? Let me try just 100 megabytes. And they cut $20 out of that. So now I'm down to like $83 a month paying for my internet. And so far it's been good. So you figure like you could save $200 a month on internet, and any TV show you want to watch, you could, like I said, you could just stream it. You could save $24,000 a year, $30,000 a year, and that's $24,000 over 10 years, or $30,000. You could buy a new car. You could do a lot with cutting out your cable. So I recommend just try it for a couple months without having any cable and just go streaming online. If you have a smart TV, you could just stream. Not only that, what Xfinity did is when I canceled my cable, they sent me like a little box, and it made one of my old TVs that wasn't a smart TV into a smart TV. So they basically gave me a Kindle, not a Kindle, a Fire Stick or an Amazon internet thing or Google internet thing that I can actually go on there now and go on the internet itself and just surf the net myself. And that was pretty cool. And if you want another one, it's $4 a month if you have other TVs that are not smart TVs. But basically today, almost everybody has a smart TV. I don't think you can buy a TV that's not a smart TV. So try it out. Just go call the cable company, whoever you're using, and just cancel. Just cancel and just keep the internet. Like if you have satellite TV and then you're paying for Verizon or a cable provider, just get rid of the satellite TV. Get rid of it and just keep your internet and see how it goes with the basic 100 megabytes. You know, if your company gives you 50 megabytes, just try it out. You might say to yourself, wow, you know, I'm saving all this money, and you're going to go out and buy yourself something that you've always wanted that you couldn't afford before. This is John Avanti. Just wanted to say hello and give you this little bit of input that I did, and I figured it out. And I'm pretty happy that I got rid of the cable company. You know, it's money in my pocket. Take care. Peace out. See you on the next video.